Welcome, boys and girls. Look at my new toy, Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. 250 miles on it at the time of this video here, and guess what I did to my new shiny bike? I dropped it. I thought I had the kickstand down and I didn't have it down all the way. I hopped off the bike, it fell over, and it badly bent clutch lever. And I'm going to show you how I fixed it. Now, this is after the majority of the repairs have been done. I'm just doing some fine tuning at this stage here, but it's the same. I used the horn on my anvil to gently straighten out the area where it was bent the most, where it was almost U-shaped there. But what you do, you get the acetylene going and you blacken up your lever there, put a heavy layer of soot on it. Then we're going to come back with a neutral flame and burn the soot off. You want to get it nice and warm in the area you're going to do the bend, and then imagine just a little bit more here. So I didn't do the entire lever because I didn't need to bend the entire lever. I'm just working on it a little bit at a time here. Okay, now see where I'm touching with the hammer? Just that one area there just needs a little bit of adjustment, and that's all it took. The big bent area took more, but I did it the same way. All right, so how did I get my lever off? You've got a 4mm Allen screw in the top. At the bottom of it, it goes into an 8mm nylock nut. Take the nut off, take the screw out. Then you come on around here to the engine case, loosen up that nut there, loosen it all the way up, and then you can push the adjuster towards the clutch arm, and that'll give you enough slack to remove the cable. So what we've got to do is loosen up the jam nut, screw the clutch cable into the holder, pull the cable out of the slot that's in the jam nut and the lever holder, and then take it out there, and that's what I got. You just take your time. Yep, you can go from this to this using a torch. Can't guarantee it's always going to work, but you don't want to leave it looking like this here. And those levers are expensive, so you can save you some money here, okay? Hope you like the video. If you think the video is going to help someone out, give it a thumbs up. If you like my stuff, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I've got motorized bikes, all sorts of motorized toys I'm going to be playing with. We've got more videos coming. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. Ride safe, watch out for cars, wear your gear, your helmet, and all that good stuff. Oh, and don't drop your bike.